Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do my everyday makeup look. It's kind of natural, but I got the fake lashes in the mix. You know the vibes. So basically this video is just going to be an everyday makeup look. I've been doing this for years, like honestly. And the last time I posted a video, I was actually 16 years old and now I'm 20. That's a really big gap. And I apologize for that. I'm still here. And I'm trying to come back with more content to get you guys going. Who am I for not posting? Like, I kind of feel guilty not being on here. Like, it brings out my inner child, as you can see. And let me look how long it's been since I made a video. It's like I don't have my facts straight about myself. Half a decade. Okay. So if you want to learn how I did this natural makeup look, let's get started. To start off this look, I'm going to smack a moisturizer on and just put that on throughout my face. Next, I'm using this as a primer. I'm just going to spread that on throughout my face, just like I did with the moisturizer. A little goes a long way, just saying. And then you're going to grab foundation and rose water, and then make sure to dampen your beauty blender. Should be good. It's a little damp. I usually just pour a generous amount on my hand and then just put the foundation on from there. It works best for me. You don't have to do it this way, but just make sure you put on the foundation evenly. And then I'm taking my favorite concealer and I'm going to start off by applying it under my eyes to get rid of my dark circles, and then all over my face where I see any blemishes. And then I'm just going to evenly pat that out with the beauty blender and make sure it's still damp throughout this process, or else it's just going to look dewy and not smooth at all. Now I'm just taking a powder. This one I've been using for a while now. And then I'm just going to set my makeup. And I just love the way this powder looks after I put on my face makeup. It just makes my face look so smooth and just clear overall. Brow time. I'm taking an eyebrow pencil and I'm starting off by brushing my eyebrows downward and then just outlining my eyebrow through the shape just to enhance my natural features. And I'm going to do that with the other side and then just brush them upwards and then go along the line on the bottom of my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to grab my bronzer and then I'm just going to grab the same brush I used for my powder, and I'm just altering the brush by squeezing it a little just to apply the bronzer better. And then I'm just going to go under my cheekbones just to enhance those qualities. And then I'm just going to go above my forehead. And then I'm just going to eventually blend that all in. And don't forget the jawline, because you got to make your jawline look snatched. And yes, I'm just going to do that too with the jawline, and then eventually just blend it all in. Now I'm taking my favorite mascara. I usually use mascara as a base before I put on any type of lashes, just so they don't tug at my real lashes and pull my lashes off when I take the falsies off. I just got back from the store to get lash glue because as I was about to do my lashes, I realized I left my lash glue at school, so yeah. Now you just want to get lash glue and tweezers to help apply the lash. It smells like liquid latex. After I put the glue on the lashes, I just get some air to it to make sure it's a little tacky so it doesn't slide immediately off my lashes. This is my look, like literally. Excuse my lip pimple, but don't get frustrated when trying to put on the lashes. It does take a lot of practice, and I pretty much mastered the skill over time. But do not get frustrated because, like I said, it does take a lot of practice. Now for my favorite part, highlight. First, I'm going to start off by wetting the brush just so the highlight sticks to the brush a little bit more. And then I'm going to apply onto my cheekbones. using a smaller brush, I'm going to wet the brush just like I did and then apply highlight into the corner of my eyes just to make them pop. And then I'm going to apply highlight to under my eyebrows. For the last step, I'm just going to apply a generous amount of lip gloss and then just rub it all in and you're done. Finished look. Hi guys, it's Crafty Channel 27 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fake realistic looking braces. My teeth with braces, in case any of you were wondering. 20 years old. Update. Teeth update, yeah. If you want to learn, stay tuned and watch the next clip. So I'm showing my... I cannot talk. Like, this stuff is new to me, even though it's really not, but it's new for me. Feel me? You feel me? Gotta make it look cute for the intro. Let's get started. I'm gonna act like I didn't just hear that.